Hi, good evening and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra and welcome. This evening I am doing an unboxing. It's a February unboxing and it is the one for Asos. So this is it. It is still available on the Asos website at the moment. If you haven't heard anything about the Asos beauty box, let me educate you. So Asos, every month they do a beauty box. It's not a subscription box. So don't think it's something you can subscribe to. It normally costs £12. I'm trying to remember how much it costs. It normally costs £12 a month. But if they do a brand, like a brand takeover, the box will cost more. So it will be from £15 to £17 for the box. In the past they've done brands like Bobbi Brown, they've done Clinique, they've done Makeup Revolution. I think they did a Laura Mercier one once, or am I mistaken on that? I may be mistaken on that, but they have done brand ones in the past. But normally the boxes are £12 a month. So this month, this box, I believe the theme is date night. So shall we see what's inside this box? I did post up earlier on today whilst I was at work. I did post up a quick little video of how to find this box on the website. So every month at the beginning of the month, or usually mid-month, I get loads of DMs saying, oh, I can't find the Asos beauty box, and it's usually because it's probably sold out already and or it hasn't been released as yet. There is never a set date for when these boxes come out. It's usually at the beginning of the month. So all you need to do is to go onto the Asos website from the first of the month and then just check sort of during the day, every day. It's usually released within the first 5 days of the month. That's all I can tell you, to be honest. That's it. If you've got the app, you can also set up a notification on the app, so when the box is released it will notify you. I've done that, but for me my notifications never work, so I just literally just randomly check. Usually when I've got a break I'll just check to see if it's available. Right, let's see what's inside this month's box. I didn't really check in too much detail about what was inside the box. I just saw that it was available and just ordered, and that was it. So you always get a card that lets you know the details of what's inside the box, but I'm not going to go through that as yet, or should I? I'm just going to see what's inside the box first of all. There's usually about 5 items in the box. Sometimes the items are full size. Quite often they are deluxe sample size, but if they can do a full size item in there, there will be. The value of the box varies. Sometimes it might be just a little bit over the £12 that you've paid. Sometimes the value can be fantastic. It can be like £20, £30, £40. I think I even had boxes that have been up to £60 in value. What I always say with any beauty box I get, all I ever want from any beauty box that I subscribe to or beauty box that I purchase is that the contents of the products that I am going to use, so the products that I can use, are at least double what I paid for the box. So if the box cost me £12, then I want the items that I'm going to use in the box to be valued, retail valued at £24. You get me? Right, let's go in and see what we've got going on here. So the first thing I've got is this. Now this is very much an Instagram product. It really is an Instagram product. I'm not sure if it's sold in retail stores as yet, but this is from Coco and Eve Like a Virgin. So probably about 2 years ago, maybe even up to 3 years ago, these guys were heavy on social media. They were all over the place advertising their conditioner. So it's a Coco and Eve Like a Virgin, and I think it's got coconut and fig. Yes, it's coconut and fig hair mask. It's actually a really nice conditioner. It's a nice moisturizing, reviving, kind of restructuring hair conditioner. Is it any better than some of the other more decent quality conditioners out there? I wouldn't say so personally. I mean, I fell for the hype and I went and bought the tub from their site. At the time when I bought it, you got a full tub and you got a detangling brush as well. And I think the whole thing cost me about £30, £34. So it wasn't cheap. I mean, it's gorgeous smelling conditioner. It gave beautiful results, particularly on my daughter's hair, because my daughter's got curly hair, she's got type 3 hair, and on her hair was glossy, it's shiny, and the curls were defined. It did look really good, and I've seen on other people's hair, people with type 1, type 2 hair, the results have been beautiful. When I used it, my hair was soft, it felt nice, but it wasn't as hydrating, as moisturizing as I want. Because I've got type 4 hair, my hair is naturally very dry and very frizzy because the curls are really tight, so it doesn't retain the moisture. This wasn't moisturizing enough for me, but it is a very nice conditioner, so it's worth giving this a go. And the fact that it's inside this box, I'm now assuming that Asos are selling it in their online store, so that is all good. It's worth giving it a try. All of the products that I'll be showing you, I will put the price of the product, of the full size item, on the screen above when I do my editing later on. So that's the first item. Oh, isn't this cute? So we've got a little sample size of the Mercier translucent setting powder. This is an iconic product. It's a really great setting powder. To me personally, it's actually one of the best setting powders out there, and all others are just trying to catch up with this one, to be honest. I really like this setting powder. We have got, we've got a little 1 gram container, but it's a lovely setting powder. So if you've never tried the Mercier setting powder, this is a good time to try. It's absolutely lovely. It's soft, it's soft, finely milled. It goes on, it doesn't discolor your face, so particularly for people of my coloring, it won't discolor your face, and you can brush it off and it sets your makeup beautifully. It's a really nice setting powder, so it's nice to have a little sample one of that. Third item in here is from Barium. So Barium is a typical drugstore high street brand. Is it in Superdrug? I think it's in Superdrug. So we've got a Barium Gloss Me Up lip gloss. Not sure about this colour actually. I might put this one actually in my giveaway box for February, because this looks like a colour that I probably won't wear. I can see me not wearing this colour. So it's a Gloss Me Up lip gloss, and let's have a look. What does it say? And what's the shade? I'm trying to see what the shade is. The shade is Sugar. Can you see that? So the shade is Sugar. So there we go, we've got that. That'll be a full size item. Right, we've also got a, this is one of the reasons why I wanted to get this. We've also got a sheet mask. Now, anybody who knows me, who watches my channel, they know I love a sheet mask. I will put a mask on my face every day of some sort. So it'll be a sleeping mask, it'll be a sheet mask, it'll be a cream mask. There's a mask going on my face every single day. Maintaining this 51-year-old anti-wrinkle face takes work, it really does. Right, so what we've got here is from Nip and Fab, and it's a mattifying pore minimizing primer mask. Oh, I'm looking forward to trying that out. So if I go out, I suppose this whole box is about getting ready for a date night on Valentine's, isn't it? I suppose, considering it's February. So this would be great if you're going out and you want to make sure your face is conditioned, hydrated, but not a shine inside. This would be wonderful. I'm going to save this one actually for when I am going out. I doubt I'm going out on Valentine's night, but I will save it for a day out or a night out. Oh, I'm looking forward to trying that actually. That's really good. And the fifth item in the box, I recognise all this. Oh, okay. This is actually a good liquid eyeliner. This is Ciate London and Fierce Flicks. I've received this liquid eyeliner in a beauty box last year. Which one, I don't know. Something tells me it's one of the American ones that I've received. So it could have been either a Nipsey or a BoxyCharm. Because for some reason I seem to get a lot of Ciate London. I mean, Ciate London, you think you'd get it in British beauty boxes, but for some reason I seem to get it a lot in the American ones. Something's telling me it might have been a Nipsey Glam Bag Plus. So that's it. And it's actually a really nice liquid eyeliner. It's one of the ones I've used and I've actually enjoyed using. I think I've still got it, to be honest, unless I've finished it. But this as well, I'm going to put in a in my February giveaway box. So yeah, because I've got lots of liquid eyeliners, I really don't need any more. Got plenty. Right, so let's read what the card says about it. So it says, whether you're prepping for a date night or just looking for an excuse to treat yourself, the latest Asos face and body box has all the skincare, feel-good makeup and hair heroes to brighten up your month. In it you'll find Barium's vitamin infused lip gloss, which will moisturise your lips and keep them glossy. Plus there's cult brand Coco and Eve Like a Virgin hair mask, which contains hair strengthening coconut and fig extracts to give your hair some serious TLC. To prep and hydrate your skin, you'll be needing Nip and Fab Primer's mask. It's packed with hyaluronic acid and vitamins. Oh, that's good. And it's mattifying? Wow. It's packed with hyaluronic acid and vitamins. And the final touches, Laura Mercier's translucent loose setting powder is guaranteed to keep your foundation looking fresh all day long, giving you a nice healthy glow until summer comes. And for that extra bit of drama, Ciate Fierce Flicks liquid liner will help you create your best cat eye yet. That is the February Asos box. I actually think that's quite a good little box just to try out. That's a nice gift, and it's also a nice treat for yourself. So the things I'll be putting in the giveaway, I'll be putting in my February giveaway box will be the Fierce Flicks Ciate London eyeliner and the Barium lip gloss. So that's the first two items to go in my February giveaway box. And talking about giveaway, oh, I didn't say, look, they've done all red, so to go with the date night, Valentine's, all that sort of thing. And just to remind you, so this might be the first time you're hearing this because I've edited the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus video. I just haven't uploaded it yet, and I've got a feeling this video is going to go up first, so I'll give you the information now. My January giveaway box, so January's box of all the beauty products that I've received in January that I'm not going to be using or I've decided to give away, that will be closing this Friday, so Friday the 7th. To be eligible to enter that giveaway, 3 things. All you need to do for that is subscribe to my channel. Secondly, leave a comment. I would say leave a comment on the Ipsy Glam Bag video, so when it goes up, so hopefully that'll be up tonight as well. God, I'm giving myself work here. That'll be up tonight, so leave a comment on that video, and if you can, please put an Instagram handle on that video, on your comment as well, so if you do win I can contact you quite easily. If you haven't got an Instagram handle to put on that video, then all you need to do is just make sure you check back, because I'll be closing that giveaway on Friday, and I'll probably Friday night I'll use my random comment picker to pick out my winner, and then I'll notify the person who's won underneath their comment, and if they've got an Instagram I'll also send them a DM on their Instagram as well. So do look out for the Ipsy Glam Bag video that will be coming up either tonight or it'll be going up tomorrow, one of the two. But that giveaway for my January beauty box will be closing this Friday, which is the 7th of February 2020. And I normally, if the person gets back to me quickly, I'll post the box out on Saturday. I normally only give 2 or 3 days for people to get back to me. If they don't get back to me in that time, then I'll pick somebody else to do that, because I usually like to post either on a Wednesday or on a Saturday, but preferably on a Saturday morning. So there you go. So look out for the Ipsy Glam Bag video that will be coming up either tonight or it'll be coming up tomorrow. Alright, well there you go, Asos Beauty Box. All the stuff is still available. Get on and order it. Alright guys, thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you know what you need to do. Show your appreciation by giving me a like down below, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel. Join the FamBam. That's all you need to do. Just press that subscribe button, press it twice, and that will ensure you'll be notified of all the future upcoming videos. Alright, take care. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.